How to fix microphone not working in Google Meet. So in order to fix your microphone issues, you will first need to open up your browser and then look up Google Meet and then click on the first link and it should take you to the Google Meet website. Now you want to click on the settings icon and then click on use mic and camera and allow it. Now it should open up this settings page, and from here you want to make sure to select your microphone device and you want to select your speakers as well, and you can also test right here. You can also test the mic to see if it's working, if this chart right here is changing like that means the mic is working. Now you can go to the video tab and also specify your camera if you would like to use a camera, and then you can close this page. And then you will need to click on new meeting and start instant meeting. Now once you are in a meeting like this, you want to make sure that your mic is not muted. So the mic is right now is working because you can see it's like detecting audio, and if it's red like that, it means the mic is muted, and you will need to unmute it to make sure you're talking and other people can hear you. And you can do the same thing with the camera as well. Now, if this for some reason still does not work for you or does not solve the problem, here's what you can do. You want to click on the 3 vertical dots on a new tab. So for example, if you're using Google Chrome, it might look like this, the 3 vertical dots, and then you want to go to settings. And on the left side, you want to click on privacy and security, and then you want to click on site settings at the bottom. And then you want to scroll down and under permissions right here, you want to make sure to go to the microphone, and from here you want to select your microphone device, and you can select whether the default behavior is to let websites ask for permission to use your mic, or don't allow them at all without asking. So you want to make sure it's set to the first option, and you want to scroll down here and make sure allowed to use microphone right here. The list contains Google Meets, and it's not in the list of the blocked sites from not using your microphone. So you can, now if you can't find it here, you should go back and click on view permissions at data stored across sites, and from here you want to search for Google Meet or search for Meet, simply like this, and then expand the Google page. Now you should find it if you scroll to the bottom here, which is meet.google.com. Click on it, and now under permissions, make sure the camera is set to allow. The microphone is also set to allow, and the sound is set to allow as well, along with any other permissions that you might need, but these are the necessary ones for the microphone and for the communication. Now once you change everything to be allowed for the mic and sound and camera, you can close out of this, and then you want to go to your system settings. So right click on the start button and then go to settings, and from here you want to go to the audio devices. So you want to click on devices right here, and then you want to click on sound settings, and from here you want to make sure to select your output device, which could be your headset, and as well as your input device, which is the default mic. Make sure they are selected, and if you're having trouble still, you can run this troubleshooter to detect any problems with your mic. And then you will need to click on manage sound devices and make sure the microphone is not disabled, as well as the headsets or speakers, so you can talk and hear other people. And also make sure the volume is above 0 and not muted. And then from here you can click on the sound control panel on the right side, and it should open up this window right here. Now make sure your headset is enabled and set to default device with this green check mark, as well as your microphone should be enabled and have this green check mark to be used as default device. And You can also right click on the mic and go to properties and then go to listen and levels and make sure the microphone volume is high enough so it can pick up your voice, and make sure it's set to the default format for your microphone. So it's usually on the written on the microphone package, and make sure to set the same frequency here. For me, it's 48,000 hertz, so I'm setting it like that, and then click on apply and OK. Now you can close everything and load back up again to Google Meet, or open the browser again. Now once you join the meeting, you will be able to talk using your microphone and hear other people, and use your camera as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.